What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. But today's cocktail will be a mocktail, as I will be doing the Virgin Mojito, and we'll show you how to make the non-alcoholic version of the Mojito. So it's a pretty simple mocktail to make. First, get your mint leaves. So like with any Mojito, you put it at the bottom of your glass and you muddle them. Oop, forgot one. So the reason we do this is to release the aroma from the mint, so you get that nice minty smell. So you don't want to muddle it too hard that the mint leaves start ripping, as you've done it too much if you do that. Right, now we've done that, put in half an ounce or 15 ml of sugar syrup. Right, now put in half a teaspoon of sugar. We don't want too much since we've got sugar syrup already. Right, now guys, what you want to do is pour in 1 ounce or 30 ml of fresh lime juice. Right, what you do now, guys, is fill the glass with ice. Beautiful. Right, now just top up with soda water now, right to the top. The final thing to do now, guys, is a garnish with a mint sprig. You can use lime if you want to use that, a lime wedge if you want to decorate with that, but I think this looks a little bit more presentational. I think it looks a lot nicer to look at rather than just crammed in with limes, as it looks a lot nicer, I think. And there we go, guys, one Virgin Mojito. And just the mocktail version of the Mojito taste without the rum. So maybe it's just missing something. To me, it's just still too bland. Oh, I was gonna say, to me it's just bland. It's not bitter and it's not sweet. To me, it's just missing something. Ah, there we go. That's fine. That's better. That's a lot better, that. So I think the key to it is to add a little bit more of lime juice to it. It makes it a little bit more sour, but I found that has a taste to it that I actually do enjoy it. Do enjoy a bit of the bitter taste, as it certainly complements it, I think. But as far as mocktails goes, it's alright. It's because I prefer Shirley Temple's, as it's a lot sweeter with the ginger ale and the grenadine. Right, and I will leave a link for another mocktail I have done in the past for you guys, which is a non-alcoholic version of the strawberry daiquiri. But I will be doing more mocktails and gin cocktails, but for now I will be sticking along the cliche January mocktail, the non-alcoholic dry January theme. And hopefully it will be a little bit nicer than the Virgin Mojito. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more cocktails and drinks and mocktails and whatever your heart desires. And I will leave in the description below my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram if you wish to check out those if you wish. Well, that is all for now, guys. Have a nice day. Cheers. Careful.